Hi there! Are you feeling frustrated by the limitations of bulk operations in Jira? Do you wish to have greater control over your thousands of Jira issues? Want to gain deeper insights to ensure your project is on track? In this video, you'll discover how to be an efficient product manager by utilizing an Excel-like issue editor. Imagine you're working as a product manager. You're currently discussing with your stakeholders to gather all the necessary requirements for your new project. You need to manage your issues to find the highest priority. Then, edit thousands of Jira issues in a single spreadsheet. Sounds impossible? You can accomplish all of this using the Excel-like issue editor. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to do it. Currently, we have 7 Jira issues in this spreadsheet. Click the plus button next to the record count, and the Create Issues panel will appear. These 3 fields are required fields if you want to create a new issue in Jira, so you must fill in all of them. You can create multiple issues if you wish. For this example, I'll create 4 new Jira issues under the Kanban Razi 1 project. Once you've finished, click the Create Issues button at the bottom right of the Create Issue panel. The app will refresh your spreadsheet and you'll see the 4 newly created Jira issues. Perfect! Now let's move on to the next step. You have a backlog of numerous tasks and need to prioritize them through some analysis. Assuming your current critical issues are any Jira issues summary related to the database, click the paintbrush icon on the operation bar. The Conditional formatting panel will appear. Choose the field to which you want to apply the new cell's color, then select the operator you wish to use. In our case, we want to find any issue summary that contains the word database. You can customize the color if you want to. If you switch between light mode and dark mode, don't worry. The app will automatically adjust the suitable color for you. Now the information is more clear. These top 4 Jira issues contain database text in their issue summary. Great! Now you know which fields to update. We want to update the priority, assignee, and due date values on these Jira issues, and you can achieve that using the bulk editing feature. Click the column configuration icon on the operation bar. A dialog will appear on your screen. Let's add the missing fields and remove the unnecessary ones. I'm going to add due date, priority, and 2 app fields, comment and last comment. These 2 app fields are customized fields that will provide valuable insights for your backlog management. Let's freeze the columns until the status field and move the assignee to the rightmost column. Now the fields we want to update are displayed in this spreadsheet. Let's proceed with the bulk editing. It appears that some of the due date fields are not editable. We need to add this field to the issue screen. Double-click the issue key to open the issue screen dialog. Scroll down, then click Configure to open the issue layout. Add the missing due date field to your issue screen. If you can't find this field in the list, use the search field. Now let's return to the spreadsheet. Perfect! Everything we need is ready. One unique feature of the Excel-like issue editor compared to other products is that we use lazy saving. This means you can edit it first and then save it later, just like in Excel. Click the due date cell, then choose a value from the date picker. You can also copy and paste values to multiple fields using the keyboard shortcut. I'll set the highest priority for these Jira issues. It seems there are issues with missing assignees. I'll update those as well. Perfect! Once you're satisfied with these values, click the Save button near the search field. Voila! You can see how easy it is to update multiple Jira issues using this app. This is the final step. Let's say you need someone's attention to check this high-priority issue. Double-click the Comments field. A comment side panel will appear. Then, add a new comment and mention that user. You can refer to the last comment field to get a quick insight into the latest conversation. Awesome! That's it for today. You've learned a few of the features that will be beneficial to you as a product manager. If you'd like to explore more, get this app in the Atlassian Marketplace and start your 30-day trial today.